Hey, you!
Yes, you!
Look outside your window right now! What is it doing out there?
Is the sun blazing? Is the rain pouring? Is the wind trying to steal your hat? Is there so much snow you cannot find the garden?
Whatever it is doing, there is a completely ridiculous scientific reason for it. And today, we are going to find out exactly what that is. Ready?
Let's go! The sun woke up this morning feeling very bright. Decided it would shine with all its golden might. It beamed down on the garden and it warmed up all the ground. And everybody outside had to squint and look around.
The flower said thank you, and the grass turned green.
The biggest, brightest, sunniest day you've ever seen.
Without the sun, there'd be no life, no warmth, no light.
The sun is showing off, and honestly, it's right. What's the weather doing today? What? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Tell me what? Sun and clouds and wind and snow. 4 seasons putting on a show. Spring, summer, autumn, winter too. The earth goes round the sun.
That's what seasons do.
The earth is wonky and we love it that way. That's why the weather changes every day. The cloud woke up this morning feeling absolutely full. It tried to hold the water in, but gravity's the pull. It wobbled and it grumbled and it turned a shade of gray, then decided,
that is it. I'm raining on you today.
Down came the raindrops bouncing off the ground.
Down came the raindrops making that delightful
The
sound.
worms came up to see what all the fuss was about.
And everybody outside had to run and shout.
The wind woke up this morning in a very silly mood. It decided it would blow things and be generally quite rude. It grabbed somebody's hat and sent it flying down the street. It rustled all the trees and nearly knocked poor Gran off her feet.
But wind is just warm air deciding it must rise.
And cold air rushing in.
That's wind in disguise.
So next time wind steals your hat and sends it on a trip,
remember, it is just science.
give the wind a tip.
Okay. Now this is the really wild part.
Are you sitting down?
The earth is wonky.
Yes, wonky! It is tilted on a funny angle.
And as it goes around the sun,
Sometimes your part of the earth leans toward the sun.
that's summer.
Warm and sunny and lovely.
And sometimes it leans away from the sun,
That's winter.
cold and dark.
And where did the sun go?
And the bits in between,
Spring, everything waking up.
autumn.
Everything going to sleep.
The seasons are not because we get closer to the sun.
They happen because our planet is just a bit
Wonky!
We love you, Earth! Never change! Spring woke up and nudged the flowers out of bed. The daffodils said finally and raised their yellow head.
The baby lambs came tumbling out on wobbly little legs.
And birds got very busy building nests and sitting on their eggs.
The days got longer, slowly stretching toward the light.
Everything was waking up and everything felt right.
Spring is Earth's alarm clock ringing loud and clear.
Wake up, wake up, wake up.
The warm days are here.
Summer turned the sunshine dial right up to maximum, please. The ice cream started melting and the paddling pool said whee.
Then autumn came and painted all the leaves in red and gold.
The trees said thank you very much.
And let them go.
How bold.
Winter wrapped the world up in a big cold blanket tight.
Tucked the flowers underground and shortened up the light.
But slowly, Earth began to tilt again.
And spring came knocking on the door.
Here comes the sun and rain.
What's the weather doing today? What? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Tell me what? Sun and clouds and wind and snow.
4 seasons put what seasons do.
The earth is wonky and we love it that way. That's why the weather changes every day. Whatever the weather, whatever the season,
Every single raindrop,
has a reason.
every gust of wind,
Every flake of snow
it's just our wonky earth.
putting on a show.
So look outside your window.
And whatever you see,
It's the most extraordinary science.
happening for free.